Tamatte kudasai. In Japanese? Hey, very good. Tamatte kudasai means please wait a moment. He's going to sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. The first one will be a Mandarin song, a Chinese song entitled 客人来. It's a local children's song. Do you know the song 客人来? No one knows? 客人来跟爸爸, Papa. I think I'm the only one who knows. Listen to the bird. Amigo, sing that song Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我一个人在昨天在一起飞呀。
Okay, very good. Papa 不在家. Father is not at home. A guest come to visit. Something like that. He's going to sing a Malay song entitled Rasa Sayang. How many of you know the song Rasa Sayang? If I translate that simply means feelings of love. Rasa is feel, sayang is love. Ready everyone? We have a very catchy tune. Sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah tahu, sayang.
Hey, very good, amigo. Yes. Now he's going. What is it? Rocky, what brings you out here? What is it? Are you sure? Are you very sure? Today is Rocky's birthday. Hey. Why you want to dance? Anyone's birthday today? Raise your hand. Birthday, anyone? No one? Yesterday? Tomorrow? The rest of the tomorrow. Okay, very good. Listen to the bird. He's going to sing it in English. Everyone will know. Huh? Listen, sing. Happy birthday to you and to you. Thank you very much, Rocky. Now it's time for Amigo to go. Before he goes, everyone wave and say bye-bye to Amigo. Amigo, your turn, Amigo. Why don't you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Give him a round of applause. Thank you very much, Amigo.